Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXAlTareeq.com. And here is what's on my radar, December the 24th, 2015. We start off with the Aussie dollar chart. And we see that this morning we're looking in the Asian session. The Asians are raising up their heads. They've got a nice little thing going on here. All right, 40 pips. Let's see what happens with this particular trade. Looks like it may be edging up towards this this line here. This is what we thought it would be, a breakout from here, possibly a breakout from here. So what we do is we will just mark our chart with the potential happenings up here on the Aussie dollar chart. Aussie dollar chart was in congestion for a little bit, but you never know what happens with this Asian session. It may be a pull up and a pull down. Now, what may happen is this. Two things can happen. Those of you who know about the naked Forex trading, a pogo trade could happen on this particular chart. Not going to teach you that, but you guys should be looking for a pogo trade off of this chart, as I'm looking right now, potentially on this particular chart. Could be a setup for an Acapulco or a setup for a pogo. Boing, boing, boing. With that said, let's move over to the Aussie Japan chart. The reason why it is on the radar for me is I am looking at a potential squeeze here off of the daily. We will see what happens. A potential squeeze in play. Love the squeeze plays. Euro dollar not doing much, just holding in the off of this support and resistance, between these two support and resistance zones. One of the things you guys want to do is learn how to trade these naked setups. You can go to the website there and get information on how to actually trade each individually catalyst. I'm also uploading each trading course separately that you can take advantage of as well. Aussie CAD is in a bit of a what do you call it? A bit of retracement from yesterday. It pushed down, and so we have a slight bend trade here. And I like what's going on with this Aussie part, because we knew that it's going to have to show its ugly head. Now, again, could reach up here. This could be a signal for us off of the bend trade to make some movement, but we won't make movement until probably after the start on Monday. So with that said, I'll move down. Interesting what's taking place there. Great Britain, yen still holding in the Acapulco region. Might be a chance for a move on that one as well. Great Britain US dollar edging back up to the support and resistance line at 1.4909. The Asians are doing their thing this morning. Here's another chart I was just looking at. Another squeeze, and actually you're on a trend line here. Right like this, you're actually up on a trend line. So let's put this one on the radar and see what happens. I keep saying it, up, down, up, boom. And this is on a minor support and resistance line. This is the first time I'm watching these charts, guys. So I'm giving you a perspective from not having seen the chart since yesterday. What I see right now, what catches my eye, is a trend line, and then a possible, this is a minor support and resistance line that I'm seeing here on the chart as well. So let's see what happens with the New Zealand, with the Kiwi, New Zealand dollar, okay? And last but not least is the Great Britain Swissy. As I said to you before, we wanted to watch what's going to happen with this particular candle. This is a bend mode. Those of you who know the bend trade, it is a bend mode, but the problem was it did not close up high on the candle. So that's not a good sign for that. That is just a sign for me was retracement and then fall back down. This level here is going to tell the story. And when you're watching this one, you're almost looking at a ghost peak, another naked price action trading catalyst. You guys really who are following my signals and you want to know the terminology that I'm using, how I'm getting into those trades, take a look at learntotradenaked.com. That's all I got on my charts, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season for those who celebrate. I hope you guys take a little bit of break from the charts and then come back Monday refreshed, because I have a tremendous amount of things that is going to be happening starting next week, and as well as continuing into the year. A lot of webinars, a lot of training, a lot of just one-on-one coaching with my mentor clients. You guys get ready. With that said, you have a magnificent day on purpose, and I'll talk with you guys soon. Bye-bye now.